guys, we're in Las Vegas, right behind me, and we're gonna go see some baby tigers, some sharks, maybe some dolphins. Yeah! Go! We're at the dolphin area. There's dolphins over there.
Hey, Mommy. Hoping that one. I see another one over there.
Dolphin. Dolphin.
Stop to get some water.
One more drink.
And literally, they just got some snow cone cups, and then they have water machine, and then so they just use that.
Shark tooth.
What is that?
It's insane. This feels like a sponge.
Oh, look at this guy fish.
I have a bunch of these little Godzilla guys in my bag, and we have this giant window. So if you close one eye and like get them really close, it looks like they're destroying Las Vegas. So we are now at the Sharks exhibit, and so we're gonna go see some sharks. Why are they all asleep?
Huh?
Why are they all asleep?
It's night?
You know what I don't get about these fish? Why do they have islands when they just have fish?
Holy moly. Holy moly, look at that guy, Victor.
If you've never been to Las Vegas, that's spending your life there. in the comment section below if you know what that is.
Oh, there's actually right there.
Shut up. See, it's right there. Pretty big.
Reef shark.
Wait, those are bull sharks.
You know, bull sharks are one of the most dangerous sharks. Because they're small, doesn't mean they're not dangerous.
Bull sharks.
It looked like he was about to eat you, but
I know.
oh, he's in the ground.
Oh yeah, I just spotted it. I see this.
Looks like a shark frenzy.
No.
It's soft. It's down there. What is all that? Shark teeth?
Yeah.
That's cool. There's all sorts of shark stuff over here.
Hi guys, we're at the Hoover Dam right now and long drop down. Let's check it out. There's a dark hole. Maybe a giant groundhog lives in there. It's crazy.
That's
Crazy awesome.
crazy cool.
Check this out.
Can I take a picture?
There's bubbles down there. Might be a shark.
Looks like a fun slide, huh?
No.
You want to do it?
No.
No?
Do you?
No, thanks.
Oh, there's a shark. Hey, that was ice. Can't stop. If you like this video for more adventures, click up there where we go to California and see all the big dinosaurs, the big dinosaur shop. Down there, if you want some adventures, some cool ones like this one, you can watch us go to the aquarium and the shark goes, and you can see them meet some cool fish. And as usual, leave a like if you like sharks and these kind of videos, and subscribe for more fun.